Hey, this is Sarah from the Green Executive, and I'm going to show you how to renew a job in time. So I'm in LMN Time, Jobs, Job List. And there's this feature in here where you can check off what you need and under Update Jobs, renew. So in renewing jobs, it's going to say, okay, I'm taking those that I checked off and putting them behind the scenes, making them inactive if I want to. And then I can change the wording here. So if it has a year in it prior, you can replace it, or you can just add the new year if you need. Do I need new job IDs, and do I need those files that are attached to the old jobs to come into the new ones? I can hit next. And do I want to relink it? I'm going to ask it to stay the same. So it says, hey, that's renewed, but warning, you're going to have to reschedule it. You might want to check this over to make sure it's good to go. So now I have my new jobs. All of a sudden, my old ones are gone and life is good. You also have the option over here for update jobs. So in update jobs, you can edit all these different options within a job itself. But the true renew feature, quote unquote renew, happens in your job list, and you're going to update those jobs. Hope that helps. This is Sarah from the Green Executive.